Hi there, this is going to be a brief demo of what can be done with Google Sites if you're willing to think outside the box a little bit. This will be a his and hers side-by-side blog. So, to get to Google Sites, log into your Google Mail and click on the Sites button in the upper left, and we'll create a new site. Click the Create button. Starting with a blank template is just fine. And we're going to name our site, for instance, John and Marcia. Okay. We can go back later and select a theme or more options, but blank is just fine right now. So let's go ahead and create it. As we wait for it to create. Alright, what we're going to do here is we're going to create a home page, and then under that we're going to create two subpages, each of which is a blog, his and hers. Then we're going to summarize those two blogs back on the home page. Okay, we got our home page. We can now click on the little edit icon. There it is. And then we can go to the layout here in the upper left. We're going to make it 2-column simple. All right, there it is. And we can even change the title. John and Marcia's thoughts, for instance. Okay. Change the heading and we can save it. Okay, so now what we need is to create those two subpages that will be their blogs. Okay, so we need to create a new page. There's the little new page icon, and we're going to name this one John. Maybe John's thoughts. Alright, and here's the trick. In order to make it a blog, it actually has to be of the type announcement. Announcement is the Google site-ism for a blog. Alright, so we'll put it under John and Marcia's thoughts, just for grins, and we will create it. Okay, now we'll go back home and create a new page, and we'll do the same for Marcia. And again, it is going to be an announcement, and we will put it under John and Marcia's thoughts. Okay, and create it. There it goes. We can even add a new post that says something like this is my first post. Everybody wants to do a first post, so we'll let that go to Marcia. Hello world. Alright, and we will save it. Okay, now we're going to go back home and edit the home page. Alright, John and Marcia's thoughts, and we're going to click on our little edit icon here, and I'm going to put their photos in there. Maybe insert, let's see, there'll be one for insert image. Add an image, and we're going to browse to and maybe smiling John. There's a picture of John, and we're going to say okay, there he is. Let's see, we really want to align that right, get him close to the middle, and then over here we're going to insert an image of Marcia. There is upload an image of smiling Marcia. Alright. And she is left aligned, so that's cool. Alright. Now, let's see, we can save that. See how it looks. Alright. Now, here's the big part. We're going to insert a gadget. Alright. We're going to insert recent posts. Recent post of what? John's thoughts. Short snippet, 5 post. That's fine. Don't do the title or the border, and save it. And we're going to do the same thing here to insert Marcia's thoughts. Insert gadget recent posts from Marcia's thoughts, and do the same. There it is, and save it. And you see Marcia's first post right there. And now let's see, couple more little tweaks. Under more, we can go to manage site and site appearance. Let's see. Yeah, site layout. Change the site layout. Yeah, there we go. Let's get rid of that sidebar. All right, unclick sidebar, so we don't have that. Not really enough to do sidebars for. And then on sharing and permissions, stay on the page and save it. Sorry. And then in sharing and permissions, we will give John and Marcia the ability to edit that. All right. Who has access? We can add people. John at laminac.com can edit. And Marcia at .com can edit. All right. Then let's go back to the site. And now John can post and says maybe a new post and says Friday night, had a great time with you, love being with you, whatever. And Marcia can then go and they can comment on each other's posts, things like that. So there you have it, a his and hers blog. I'll give you the URL for it here in just a minute, and put some more content on the blog so you can see how it looks more fleshed out. And I hope you've enjoyed this. Thanks.